Yeah, we here to win. One good trade pays for everything. Volatility, sweet emotions, screens light up, holy mochaccino, target tag, cash flows in, smile comes out, that's discipline. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato. Give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone. Holy mochaccino, let it roll. This is how StockTiger goes. Holy mochaccino. No sleep, no fear, just tonight. One moment turns into flight. From the whip to the close, everybody knows. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. Holy mochaccino, high and low. TP hit, arigato. Give me the night, give me control. Let the whole screen overflow. Holy mochaccino. That's the call. Yeah, arigato. Tonight's the night. StockTiger on the screen. Charts moving fast, candles whip side to side. Heart rate up, yeah, I'm in the ride. No hesitation, orders locked in tight. One clean move, everything aligned. Then it snaps back, wicked motion, that's when I am holy mochaccino. Price don't play, but I stay smooth. If it hits my target, you know the move. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato. Give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone. Holy mochaccino, let it roll. This is how StockTiger goes. Holy mochaccino, arigato.
I'll be there when the lights don't shine. I'll be there in the sleepless nights. I'll be there, make you feel alright. I'll be there, I'll be there. I'll be there when the lights don't shine. I'll be there in the sleepless nights.
What's up? What's up, everybody? All right, I have no idea what happened to this market here today, but looks like we are having a good news from the Jackson Hole. The Fed chair definitely being very cautious. I heard his first 15 minutes of the speech, and I was like, you know what? He's definitely been very careful in the stuff that he says. He's not. Well, the rate hike is probably off the table for the month of September, but we'll see, guys. With the market ripping in front of that clarity that we had this morning, so wow, man. Jackson Hole, guys, ripping the market to the upside. I did peel profits off the table on my swing trading account. Maybe I should have held it. I don't know. Maybe I should have held it. Wow, it's going. It's going here today. Incredible. Meta, Amazon, everything is just literally ripping here all the way to the moon. So hey, the major cap, the Meg 7 are the ones really ripping here. Crazy stuff, guys. Crazy stuff. Ooh. Amazon, let's take a look and see what's going on there. Yeah, everything is moving, guys. ES, Qs not as much, but I mean, you see the Microsoft, Amazon, everything's just ripping here to the upside. Netflix is moving too. I did take Netflix what do you call this, profits off the table as well, so that's I don't know. Let's see. How's it going, everybody? Good morning. Good morning, fam. What's up? Did 45. The three BTS amigos are here in the house. Let's go. Okay, so wow. Did you guys trade all morning? Did you guys trade, or am I the only one? I did trade a few accounts. I did get destroyed on few, but boy, I don't know. I am coming in here today. My focus will be on take profit trader, of course. We'll try to see if we can do the take profit trader and go from there, guys. 1 second.
Order filled.
Oh, I got 2 contracts. Are we not going to get a pullback here? Wow, man, what a rip, guys. We went all the way into 29,800 area. That's pretty significant. That's pretty significant, guys. So now I guess the next level is got to be 30k, pretty much, give or take. And then if we obviously end up getting a bounce off that 30k, then yeah, we could see ourselves kind of continue ripping to the upside. So we'll see how this thing kind of plays out, everybody. Wow. Crazy market. Yeah, I've got some evils I've got to trade as well, so we'll see if that oh, what happened to my Apex accounts that I was trading? 1 second. Oh, the Ninja. The Ninja is always the problem. 1 second. I've got to disconnect the Ninja. Has 2 take profit trader 25k. Oh yeah. Oh, Nixon 150k. What? Did 45, bro, man. You're trading Nixon 150k? Is that expensive? That's crazy, bro. Wow. Hold on 1 second. Let me just take a look. Well, I think that most probably should be really expensive, I think.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Uh-oh.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Yeah, we could see a little pullback here down, maybe into the 770s.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Oh, there we go. Well, I guess it's kind of working out nicely here for us. Wow. Let's go.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order
filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Order filled.
I don't know if I want to short this market, to be honest. I don't know. I'm not in the camp just yet.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
So these are 2 accounts I was down yesterday. Obviously, you guys know I was down quite a lot, and we found a way to get a bounce. So we were only down about 131 by the time it was said and done last night. And I'm just trying to see if I can get this to green, and then let's try to trade some pro accounts that I really do want to get something going there. All right, guys, I'm going to take some profits off the table for the Apex. I'm going to move my stop to break even here. And now look to see if I can trade the take profit trader. Still looking to long here. Still looking to long. Yes, I mean, we could expect to see a pullback because you really think about it, guys, really did not get any sort of a meaningful pullback here. So kind of expecting to see maybe we see a bit of a pullback. And that could potentially take us down maybe into 745. It is doable. So we're kind of overstretched in my opinion. So I'm just going to take my profit there. And take a look. Yes. 35. All right, guys. I would like to see this market kind of give us that little pullback here down into this area if I can. This would be a perfect area to try to go long. But I mean, again, the market obviously found that support at 781. So things could move pretty quickly. So just be careful, guys, if you're trading here today. How much is the Nixon? How much is the Nixon, guys? 150K. Okay, so we're getting a little pullback here.
No suburbia. I just want somewhere that the blue skies are.
Okay, so there is that pullback here. I've only got one micro, so yeah, I only got one micro, so okay. So in the meantime, guys, let's go ahead and do some giveaways, guys. For Nixon, can you guys let me know, like, what's the best account to kind of go with? Is this the right time to load in some accounts with them or no?
For some reason I felt like that I've always known. This is where we're meant to stay, where we should be. This place is where the sun shines forever free. The sunset is fading, but the light's not gone. The ocean waves have just begun. The water is cold and the night is young. So if I lead there, will you come? Follow, so follow. So if I lead there, will you come? Follow, so follow. So if I lead there, will you come? So if I lead there, will you come? So if I lead there, will you come? The sunset is fading, but the light's not gone. The ocean waves have just begun. The water is calm and the night is young. So if I lead there, will you?
All right, that's a little pullback here. I've only got one micro. So that's the pullback that we're getting here. Let's try to see if we hold this, guys. 750 was what I was kind of thinking. Maybe try to get a pullback into.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order
filled.
filled.
Order.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Order.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Order submitted. Order.
Order filled.
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 Order submit. Order.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Yeah, look at that bounce, guys. 750.
Order cancelled.
I guess I'm going to have to go with micro. Free micro.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted.
Yeah, I think today is the kind of a day I may try to trade with 3 micro. So step in 3 micro and step out 3 micro. Right? That's what I'm going to try to do, guys. No scaling in, no scaling out. Just straight in with 3 micro and that's it. And get out with 3 micro too. Right? The market is not the type of a day in my opinion to try to be cute. So
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Order submitted. Order cancelled.
Order filled.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Order submitted. Order
Order
filled.
filled. Order filled.
Order submitted.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order submitted.
Yeah, I'm trying to test the water here, but man, it is a difficult market to trade. What a squeeze all the way.
Order filled.
This is a huge, massive squeeze that we got here today, right? So, okay, so we're back here. All right, market trying to find a footing here, trying to get a bounce off that 750. What a beautiful bounce, guys, off that level. Look at that crazy little bounce. Incredible.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order canceled.
What's going on, Adam Daz? What's up, brother? How's it going?
Order canceled. Order submit. Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
Just kind of feels like, you know, I think we could pull back into 730s. So I've entered one mini contract here, 754, looking for the pullback for about 20 points. If we end up getting above 780, I will exit my trade. Let's see if that works out, guys. This could be a risky trade. I agree. It is definitely a risky trade, considering how much we've actually moved to the upside, right? So just kind of feels like, you know, today could be the day I could blow a few accounts, which is fine as long as we have also green trades, a lot of green trades, right? So it's like a little bit of a bear flag here kind of forming right into that EMA. So let's look for that, maybe a quick little dump here. I'd like to see a 740, guys. 740. I'm not asking for too much. 740 I think should be good enough for me. What's up, EL7 Trader? Yo, man, haven't seen you in a long freaking time. Good damn, bro. All right, well, good to see you. Mola Kishan, what's up, man? Rice Trades, what's up? Space Futures Trade. Sin City, what's up? JP, you look fresh today. Well, oh, well, I don't know about that, but well, thank you. Thank you. Gracias, amigo. Balaji, what's up, Johan? FS Trader is back here again. Wow. Trying to win the battle. Okay, so I'm looking for that little pullback, guys. I'm not really looking for a huge, massive pullback, but I mean, You know, nice little cute 15 points pullback here. Let's see. Let's see if we get it, guys. It may be trying to hold this. It may be trying to hold. Starting to not like it. I may have to cut it loose. Maybe on a quick little pullback here. Maybe I may be asking for too much for a pullback into 730. So I may have to tighten that into maybe 740, I guess. Is that as 300 points to be actually ripped through? Yeah, that's right. Yeah, we had a 300 points. Yeah, you're right. That's crazy. Yeah, that's a 300 points rip to the upside today. Off the low though, right? Off the low. Ah, man, just hurry up, man. Just give me that little pullback. Jeez. Don't make it too difficult here. Come on. There we go.
Order
Okay, I've
Order
taken.
filled.
Oh my god. Okay. We'll move to the other one.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Oh,
Order cancelled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Order filled.
Submitted. Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Order submitted. Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
wow. Because we got a lot of you guys trying to short this market. Crazy, man. I don't know. I'm not. Yeah. I don't know. I kind of prefer to, well, I know what you guys talking about. I know we had a 300 points pump. I mean, it kind of makes sense to expect a pullback here. So maybe that's what I said. You know, I may be expecting a pullback to 715, but let's see. I mean, so far we're kind of holding it nicely here, even after 300 points. You know, eventually maybe we try to give us that little pullback, sweep through, and then quickly try to get a rebound, maybe something like that, right? This is, I think, in the cards.
I'll be there when the lights don't shine. I'll be there in the sleepless nights. I'll be there, make you feel alright. I'll be there. I'll be there. I'll be there when the lights don't shine. I'll be there in the sleepless nights. I'll be there, make you feel alright. I'll be there.
You got an eye surgery? You're silly, man. All right, guys. I think it's kind of very important to see if we can hold this 760 and then maybe give us a little bit of a grind to the upside from here.
Fact or fiction, you picked your poison. This mental friction, clearly it's been broken. Borderline tragic, you're so dramatic. It's automatic, you turn it on like magic. What would it take to make you feel better again? What would it take to make you feel better again? What would it take to make you feel better again? Better again.
Or it looks like we are trying to here move to the upside.
Order filled.
Get the picture, I beg to differ. You don't deliver, truth it tastes so bitter. Walking a fine line, living a white lie. You wasting my time, waiting for a
Order filled.
Staring up at the ceiling, till we lose the plot. Get you in a fair with the feelings, this is all we got. It should have been fucking easy, but turns out it's not. Can someone please stop the bleeding till you call the shots? So staring up at the ceiling, till we lose the plot. Get you in a fair with the feelings, this is all we got.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Easy, but turns out it's not. Can someone please stop the bleeding?
Okay, so there it goes. Yeah, getting a little bounce. Nice little bounce here. So just 1 second, guys. I'm trying to get something done here. Trying to set up something here. I'm just getting a couple of emails. I just want to get this account to green, and then we'll move to the funded accounts, right? The pro accounts. I've got 5 pro now. Oh, by the way, I'm gonna have to think about trading one of the account that I'm actually above buffer, so that's gonna be nice. This is a classic like market. What I kind of feel like, maybe we try to get a bounce, guys. Maybe we try to get a bounce. Is it gonna be an all-day bounce? I mean, I'm not sure if that is the case, but I mean, it does look good. Does kind of feel like it may try to push. Or if we end up pulling back, probably see a pullback here into this area. And then we try to get a bounce again. So I'm kind of leaning more here to the upside, guys. So I'm gonna try to yeah, I'm gonna try to go long here, guys. It is a tight range, but I'm kind of leaning more to the upside, so that's what I'm gonna try to do here. Okay. All right, everybody, go ahead and smack the like, everybody, if you can. If you guys want to support the channel, thank you so much for being here. Let's go ahead and call out the first winner of the day. Okay. Let's do a shotgun, right? I mean, I do kind of feel like we've got a lot of bots here, so I'm just gonna cancel this. Let's do a quick what do you call this? We'll do a quick shotgun, guys. Okay, I'm gonna give you guys 1 minute to type in whatever you guys need to, !Tiger, so you can go ahead and do the first giveaway of the day, and we'll call out the winner right away as well, guys. The winner, you got 45 seconds to let me know that you're here with us, and then also I would love to see you claim your account right away. DM me, hit me up on Discord so I can go ahead and take care of your account too, right? So let's go. All right, you guys ready? I'm gonna close the poll. So not the poll. StockTiger, getting all confused. So guys, Jackson Hole is over. It's done. It's behind us now. And so far it's bullish, right? So far it's bullish. Even though we could end up getting a pullback, this almost kind of feels like it's setting up for a bull flag, right? So I could be wrong. I could be wrong, but that's what I'm kind of thinking. So I'm gonna try to go long on pullbacks, right? That's what I'm gonna try to do here today. Yeah, my swing trading account is printing here. I wish I had. It's always on hindsight. I wish again and again, but it's okay. I think there could be days where we're gonna have an opportunity to step in again.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Microsoft is looking better of all the Max 7. If you just really think about it, guys, the Max 7 here, Microsoft 2%, Amazon 4%. They're all looking pretty decent. Really, other than the semis. Again, the semis are something that's bothering me. I did take some Nvidia off the table, but I mean, Amazon, Microsoft, everything is printing pretty hard. So I don't know. And yet the Qs are down. Almost break even Qs, right? So everything else must be pulling back other than the Max 7s, I guess, right? The Fubo getting a nice beautiful bounce into 4.5%. Let's go. Oh no. All right, guys, I'm gonna close the entries and I'm gonna call out the winner. Let's go, guys. We're getting a little pullback here. We are getting a pullback. We are. That's right. Okay, so guys, good luck. Who the winner is going to be here? Mr. Ali Saeed. Yo, bro, man. Ali Saeed. Congrats, man. Ali Saeed here. Take Profit Trader, 25K account. Winner, Ali Saeed. 45 seconds, man. Let me know. Say my name, say my name. Ali Saeed. Ali Saeed. Ali Saeed. فين انت حبيبي؟ فين انت هني ولا لا؟
Order filled.
Order filled.
जल्दी करो यार. Is he here? Oh, Mabruk, Mabruk, Habibi. Yes, salam. Yes, salam. All right, so Ali Saeed, I'm gonna have to hit me up on DM, okay? Hit me up on Discord right now. Don't worry, guys. We'll do more. Stay tuned. We'll do more.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Okay, guys, we're getting a pullback here. Was I wrong on this? We'll find out, guys. Was I wrong on this?
Order submitted.
Oh no, 1 second. Am I getting filled in the other one too? All right, we'll give it a shot. I'm gonna hold this. It does kind of feel like, you know, we're breaking down, but oh well. I mean, with the Mech 7 kind of holding pretty nicely, I kind of expect to see. I don't know if the Microsoft and all of that, Amazon, is ready to just literally give everything back again, right? So I mean, do we expect to see a nasty pullback? I mean, we could. And we've seen that plenty of times over and over again in the past. I mean, we did see obviously a rip and a dump, right? We've seen that many times, especially on Fridays, right? So, but I just kind of feel like the market has been waiting for some clues from the Fed. And I think they've got exactly what they need. I mean, not really exactly what they need, but I mean, I would say pretty close. So again, we could see this in dump as well. But I mean, I'm going to be leaning more to the upside. And maybe stubbornly arrogant here. Ignorant. Whatever you guys want to call it. But all of a sudden looking bearish now. Crazy stuff. Am I going to blow this account too? Oh, I still have like $1,000, so should be okay. I think.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Wow, Moderna is down to 137. Are you kidding me, really? Oh my god, guys. I could be screwed on this. 1
Order
second.
filled.
Order filled.
Already got 4 contracts now all of a sudden.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Order
Order filled.
Order
Order filled.
Order
Order filled. Order filled.
Order
Order filled.
Order
Order filled.
Order Order
Order filled.
Oh yeah, it's
Order
gonna go.
filled.
Oh my god. Hold on 1 second. Is the market going to decide to pull back here, like what you guys said? What a nasty pullback here, guys. Oh my god, I'm out. I'm out. Fuck me, man. Hold on 1 second. Okay, 1 second. We're kind of pretty overextended too. This really have to work. Really have to work on my favor. All right, I'm gonna try to get out. Go back to M&Q. Okay, guys, I'm gonna try to short this. I don't know. I'm not sure if we are going to roll over, but I mean, you know, it's all of a sudden looking pretty bearish. So, gonna have to flip my bias now. Yeah, I mean, I hate myself sometimes. Yeah, this is exactly what I'm talking about. Thank God I wasn't stepping in with the funded account. It's crazy. Yeah, Take Profit Trader. Take Profit Trader is still 40% off. It's not 30%. It's 40% on Take Profit Trader.
Trying desperately. Something changed here. You don't see it, but I can feel it everywhere. It's funny how things change in an instant. Doesn't take much thinking, but everyone can feel the air. Do you know I'm fading?
StockTiger is back. Hello. So I need my monies back for sure right here. I need my monies back. Absolutely. I just want to be a little bit careful here and try to see if I can short at scale into this trade off that 700 area and look for the pullback here into the 6. We could just literally give everything back. We could. It is possible. It is possible. Wow, man, what a nasty pullback here, guys, man. Wow. You've got to be kidding, everybody. You've got to be kidding. Absolutely. All of a sudden, the sentiment has changed from the Bula to Jula. Crazy stuff here, guys. You got to believe this. Incredible.
Under
This kind of feels like a little bear flag here for me. We're right into the view up, guys. We really have to hold this. If you can't do that, guys, I think we have some serious problem. We're also hitting into that. I think that's a 50% retrace too. So yeah. Alright guys, I'm gonna put my stop at 682 and look for that pullback continuation into the 640. I'm gonna try to see if I can take one off the table down there and one down into the 630s. And final take profit at 618. Looks like a little bear flag here kind of forming too, so let's see if I get stopped out right here, guys. For take profit trader, if you pass, there's no activation fee. There's no activation fee for the giveaways, guys. There is no activation. None of the giveaways for take profit trader that we offer has an activation. Burn 10 evals today. Oh, what happened, bro? What happened? Why did you burn so many? At least Saeed, if you are here, let me know. I have yeah, just hopefully you get it by Sunday. Or sorry, hopefully you get it by Monday. All right, guys, we get a nice little pullback here. Looks like I may be back. Yeah, I'm only down about $100. That's good. I'm gonna hold this now. I'm gonna be looking for a pullback into the 610 now. Let's see if we can roll over here. Hey guys, let's look for that a pullback here. Oh my god, I cannot believe that we're literally back to where it was, guys. Literally. Wow, what a dirty price action, everybody. What a dirty price action. You've got to believe it, guys. You got to believe it.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
We are really overextended, but we're still my god. You gotta believe what you guys see here, everybody. Wow, man, we are literally back to where we started today. You like, is this true? Like, come on. I'm like, what the heck, man? Guys, I'll be right back. 1 minute. It keeps going. Wow. Yeah, better walk away. I guess that's really what it is. I mean, I showed it from 669. Easy money, Sin City, yo, man. Easy money. Let's go, man. Crazy. Oh. Okay, so is that going to be a bounce now? Wow, we're extremely overextended, guys, and we're down to 9. Actually, we're down to 4 on an RSI standpoint. Sorry, that's 20. So yeah. Okay, I'm gonna add some more, guys. Try to see if I can short this. So you know what? I'll exit that trade. Now I'm back to break even, by the way. Wow. Wow. So let's take a look, guys. The Bitcoin pulling back 2.5%. The Coinbase getting a pullback. Every crypto is getting racked right now. Really, other than Microsoft and Amazon's are the only ones that are kind of holding nicely here, including Google too. But Nvidia and Tesla both pulling back pretty nicely. So I don't know. It's hard to say where this market's going to go. But I mean, so far the Friday trade has definitely given a lot of traders a bit of a fake in both directions. So be careful, guys, if you're trading here. Be careful. Yeah, things are looking pretty murky, right? Let's take a look at CCL, guys. You guys, I don't know if you guys remember, but I used to be a big shareholder of CCL a long time ago. I bought it $11, I think, and then I sold it at about 16. But we're sitting at 25 now. Wow, not bad. Not bad. So anyways, we're back here. The SPY trying to hold, but boy, man, it's having a bit of a tough time, I'll tell you that much. We got an indecisive doji candle on a SPY. So coming back here, guys, we are breaking down crazy, man, crazy. Wow, that's a breakdown here. Gets going. Oh my god, guys, we're literally giving back how many points? Oh man, this will not stop. This will not stop, everybody. Can somebody stop this market from bleeding here? Okay, so pulling back into the 550, guys, with no meaningful bounce at all. Like, this is literally a pump and a dump. I wasn't expecting this. I'll be honest. I mean, you see, 20 minutes ago, that's what I said. I said maybe try to have that follow through continuation to the upside, and yet, you guys were right. You guys were right. You guys called it. You guys said we are gonna dump, and so I hope you guys caught that move to the downside. No, I never tried Nixon, but I know a few guys are talking about it. Is there any cheaper accounts that I can load? Wow, man, crazy. We are constantly pulling back here, so I don't know. You guys make sure to use the code Tiger. I do have a code. It's TIGER for Nixon. But they've got a free reset. But I mean, what's the price to load in an account though right now? Maybe not the right time to load in, right? Yeah, I mean, I have too many other accounts I've got to be focusing on too, so I don't know. Again, this could be another bear flag kind of forming too. Jeez, man, what the heck is going on in this market, guys? We could be right back into the low of the day. What is going on, everybody? Oh boy, you gotta love it. You gotta love it. we're not finding any bits. No bits here. Still would be considered the cheapest direct funded. So which is the account that I should think about? Adam Das? I mean, next in is a back burner. It's not gonna be there's no way in the world. God, what the heck is going on in this market, everybody? Somebody help. Wow, Dumpa, man. We are right back down, guys, man. Thank God I sold a bunch of my swing trading portfolio. Crazy, man. I would have been absolutely destroyed. Wow, man. Chukaburi. So, oh my God, guys. What the fecky is going on here, guys? I'm going to try to see if I can add some more here. We're right back into the low, guys. This could be a big one here. This could be a big one right now. Oh, and there we go. We're getting a bounce. Really? Okay, final take profit there. Wow. Yeah, trade trendy. Yeah, you're right too. It's the last trading day of the month, last trading day of the week. It's and of course we had a Jackson Hole, which obviously racked this market up and down. Yeah, I mean it's I'm very grateful because I took my profits off the table on my swing trading account. So even though I'm kind of up quite a bit, today's P&L is about $700, right? So that's not bad from a grand scheme of things. But I mean, just take a look, guys, here. Now my highest position is Meta, $1,700. Amazon there, Netflix down. I took some profits off the table on Netflix, and I'm still holding Elf. I'm still holding Palantir. I took some off. I did take Palantir off. I had about $2,000. I took half of the position off. Nvidia also, I took half the position off from that 207 all the way into 225. I took my profit at I think at 225, right? So the L is kind of going down. The Microsoft is kind of giving us that little bit of a move to the upside. ServiceNow, well, and the rest of the other positions are smaller ones. I did take SpaceX off the table too. I had over $2,500. I took it off. So with all putting things into perspective, I've got a cash here on the sideline. I got 15 grand that I can use to reload again, guys. So it's kind of like rinse and repeat. Rinse and repeat. In the last few days, I loaded and the market ripped. I obviously took profits off the table, a portion of it, and I've now got $15,000 cash on the sideline that I can use when the market pulls back. So yeah, not bad. So that's what we're kind of looking at, and we have a little less than $6,000 worth of total profit. It's 17% of the entire portfolio. So by the way, for Take Profit Trader, again, I want to repeat the same thing, right? And I've been saying this, but for Take Profit Trader, if you win a giveaway from me, there's no activation fee, and it's a confirmation again from Take Profit Trader. Okay, there's no activation fee, and don't forget, Take Profit Trader is 40% off. Whether you buy that on your own or you win an account from myself, there's no activation. Okay, so remember that. Okay, so let's see what happens here. Are we going to try to get a bounce off this level, guys? The low 500 area. That's the low of the day today. So that's the New York low, right? So we ended up... yeah, I mean, we could see... I mean, if we can't... I don't know if this is going to be the last attempt to try to retest the low here. We may have a chance to dip underneath the 400 too. That's a monster pullback, by the way, guys. Crazy, man. All right, guys, I'm going to try to short this again on a bounce into maybe 620s, maybe right here. We'll try. So Adam Dez, I need to know, can you let me know like what account on the Nexon that I should be getting to? Let me know, brother. And is this the wrong time to be getting? Because I don't know if they have the offer though. Yeah, maybe Mugiwara has that. Oh, Mugiwara is not here. Okay. For 25k account, you got to get $1,500. That's the profit target. And the draw, you got equally as much. So it's 1-to-1. So $1,500 of drawdown and $1,500 of profit target. It's the account that's been working out for me really nicely. So that's the account that I enjoy trading at the moment. That doesn't mean that it's the best account. I mean, you know, it's just me. It's working right now. Okay, you guys see me trade 50Ks. You guys see me trade. I'm right now. If you see, I've got 4 pro accounts of 4 of the 50Ks, and I've got 2 of. No, I lied. Yeah, I've got 2 25K accounts of pro and 3 50K pros. So I mean, it's you know, I do trade 50Ks, of course. That's my bread and butter. But I mean, temporarily, the 25Ks has been working out nicely for me. So I mean, you know, I'm just gonna go after that one for now. StockTiger, get 50K rapid. Next in full port, if fail, reset 5 times. Per user, not account. 50K rapid. I'm still holding, guys. I'm thinking about shorting this, but
there's no room to breathe in. Getting colder. I'm a fighter, but I've lost the will to. I'm so much smaller. It's funny how things change in an instant. Doesn't take much thinking, but everyone can feel the air. Do you know I'm fading from you?
Adam Des, there's no such thing as rapids. It's only one type of account. No? Right, it's only like there's evaluation accounts, there's instant live accounts. These are the only two accounts that you have. I don't know. Guys, I'll just go to the washroom. I'll be right back in a minute.
Every day I miss you in the most ordinary ways. I always stop and wonder what would have happened if I stayed. 'Cause without you, it's like the ocean. I'm drowning in every single wave. Yeah, without you, I've got no focus. I'm fighting to just get through the day. And I keep
Let's take a look at the... Wow, man. I mean, even though the market's pulling back here, but just really take a look at Microsoft, guys. Microsoft is moving, including Amazon moving as well. Microsoft is looking way better than everything else, guys. Way better than everything else. Microsoft looks pretty good. I may try to go long on Microsoft, guys, right now. Go a little more aggressively here. Wow, it's $516. Okay, I'm gonna load in some Microsoft here. 6 contracts. All right, guys. I went long Microsoft. Looking for what do you call this? Looking for the bounce for the next few days, and see where it kind of takes us. So I did buy the Microsoft share right here. So I bought, I think I bought 5. So we are up to 4,000 now on this. It looks pretty good. I kind of like it. More than, let's take a look and see what the meta is. Yeah, I mean, Microsoft looks really good. I really do like the Microsoft right now. I don't know what it is, but yeah. A beautiful, kind of feels like a bull flag to me, so I'm gonna hold it. And what's the worst it's gonna be, right? So I think we should be fine there. Okay, so in the meantime, let's go back here. Wow, the market pulling back, and the Microsoft is definitely looking very different to everything else right now. Believe it or not. Somewhere they call it rapid. I have no idea, man. I'll take a look a little later, I guess. It failed reset after 5. Yeah. I show my kung fu style DJing. I would love to use that 5 resets for free for sure. Okay, boy, this is not looking that great, guys. We could break it here down. We could break this down. Oh my god. I'm so tempted to try to short this. All right, guys, I'm going to put a stop at the entry of this candle and look for that fall through now.
Fact or fiction, you picked your poison. This mental friction, clearly it's been broken. Borderline tragic, you're so dramatic. It's automatic, you turn it on like magic.
Still holding, guys, still holding. I go TPT payout. I thought it's instant update of balance for withdrawal. It's not, so I still have to wait till their dashboard updates. Oh, I'm not sure what you mean, because let's say if you had profits, let's say yesterday morning you had profits, you went above the buffer. Yesterday night during the Globex ASIA at Tokyo, you should be able to request a payout, right? And so when you request a payout, it instantly updates the balance, from my understanding, and that's how it's been the last couple what do you call this, payouts that I've requested. You know what I mean? Now you can withdraw from Trevor. Oh, really? I don't know if you can. I don't know. I've not tried, but I mean, is there a way to do that though on Trevor? I don't know, man. I haven't thought about that. Anyways, we'll worry about that when I get to the payout. I don't have that payout at the moment, so I'm taking one more off the table because I'm down to 3 now. All right, looking. Wow, man, guys, man, this is absolutely effed right now. Now I'll probably end up pulling back into 420s. 420s is probably the next level now. This is crazy, man. You've got to... Wow. That's all I can say. That is all I can say right now, guys. We could see this thing pull back here into that level. And if that doesn't hold, then probably end up pulling back here into this. The 350? No, I lied. Maybe into 290s, so we'll see. Lots of stuff going on right now, guys. If we can't hold this, like I said again, we probably end up pulling back into the 430s. It's about 70 points away from where we are now. And we are seeing a Bitcoin pullback here while the Microsoft is still holding pretty nicely even after, despite the market ripping here to the wrong side. The market down about 0.6%, and yet Microsoft is still holding like an amazing champion. And the Bitcoin pulling back here, guys. I can see the Bitcoin. Where's Bitcoin here? So the Bitcoin looking pretty bad, pulling back here into the 77s, down about 3%, and Microsoft is still ripping. Definitely do look the best amongst the Max 7 and across the board. So I went long on Microsoft on the weakness in this market, guys, and we'll kind of see what happens after that. The take profit trader 25k evals max you make in one day, it's 750, because you have 50% consistency rule on an eval, and there's no consistency on a funded stage. So you do 50%, the target's $1,500. So if you did 50% of that, it's 750, right? Try to get 750 in 2 days. On the third day, flip the account and you pass. Once you pass, the very next day, they get you the pro account. So you activate your pro account, of course, for free. And then you start to trade the funded account, that which they call it pro. Once you trade the pro and you get above the buffer, which is going to be over $1,500, you get above the $1,500, it's house money, right? So you are able to take the money out. Like here, if you just take a look, I've got a 25k account here right now. That's a pro, and this pro is right at the buffer. So anything I make over and above this, I should be able to request a payout tonight. You know what I mean? That's really what it is. Yeah, you could also do what Real Estate Vancouver just said. You can do that too. Absolutely, not a problem. I need some good trade on this account, because I am looking for a payout. I do need a good trade on this. I'll be honest. Alright, guys, I'm going to move my stop to break even and look for that push down into the 430s, guys, from here. Right, and that would be my final take profit over into that. I hope I don't get stopped out right here, guys. I hope I don't get stopped out. Oh, let me just get out. Still looking weak, guys. I would have got stopped out if I left my stop into the entry. I'll get up for now, guys. Wow, man, we're just literally chopping here out of nowhere. So guys, man, I haven't. How are you guys making out this morning? Everybody trading safe? Tiger, this is what I do all the time. I lock my accounts that I am going to request a payout until the dashboard is updated. Is what you do too? Tiger, is what you do all the time. You lock an account that I'm going to request a payout. Of course I do, yeah. Let's say if I made, if I traded that 25k account, which I'm right at the buffer. Let's say if I make $500 now, I will do manual lockout right away. I'll do a manual lockout right away, and then I'm gonna request a payout tonight. I am tempted to short. That's right. I am tempted to short, but I'm just kind of feel like you're overextended here to the downside, right? So just kind of thinking maybe we try to get a bounce in the market before we start to get some sort of a meaningful pullback, right? So I don't want to chase here to the downside. So that's really what it is. You locked out and you lucid. Yeah. So I'm kind of debating right now, guys. I'm not sure. I know that we're now approaching towards the end of the month. And I have set a budget for the month of September that I will not be spending anything beyond 3,000. And so I'm not sure if it's the right thing to do to put the money down into the Lucid Max, which is going to cost me about $1,000 just to get 5 accounts, which could have been 10 accounts, by the way, with the same amount of money for the max accounts, right? You know, so I'm scratching my head right now, guys. I know I was going to load in the Lucid Max, but I have a second thought, and there's two sides of this story, right? So first thing is, of course, if you really think about it, guys, getting straight to the live account after passing the max accounts, you're getting $10,000 worth of drawdown live. You know what I mean? So it doesn't get any better than that if you just really think about it. So it only costs you $1,000 to get a $10,000 worth of drawdown, and you have an ability to take a daily payout on your Lucid Max, which is great on one side, but that's on a good note. That's if you pass all the 5 max accounts, right? And you're able to withdraw, you're able to take, well, not take, but I mean, you are able to get above the buffer, right, to start requesting a daily payout. So it's not too easy. You know what I mean? Sounds easy, but it's really not, right? So then I'm kind of going, okay, well, on the other hand, let's say with the same amount of money, I could probably load in 10 accounts, you know what I mean? With Tradify, for example, on a 50K flex, select account on Tradify, it's going to cost me 99. You're literally paying double to go with the max account. So I don't know. So I'm kind of going, okay, well, maybe the idea here is to try to prioritize the accounts that I need. So I'm kind of thinking maybe we'll start with the smaller ones, which is going to cost me a lot less. And if I'm in the money in the month of September, then I'm going to use that in-house money to load in the max accounts. You know what I mean? So maybe that's what I'm trying to do. Yeah, you know what I mean? Real estate Vancouver. That's what I'm kind of thinking at the moment. Yeah. So maybe that's the way to go for me. I'm not like, that's what I'm kind of thinking. I'm not saying that's what I'm going to do exactly. But that's what I have in mind at the moment. I am very tempted to load in the max accounts though, because that's going to take you straight to live account. You know what I mean? So if everything goes well, you're essentially having 10 grand worth of drawdown, essentially like a personal live account. But it may be costly by the time it's maybe said and done, because you're gonna have to pass, and obviously it's not gonna be like, you're not gonna pass all, right? Or if you try to pass all of them, it's gonna take you a long time, because you have to be a lot more careful in your trading. What happens to all your SIM? I don't have a SIM on the Lucid. It's all gone, right? We went to live, and from live, I'm back to max now, so. I'm not sure if I want to step in with the pro account. I'm not sure. I'm thinking about it. I'm just not sure what is the right approach. I'm thinking maybe a little pop here could maybe an opportunity to try to short this. So of course, I mean the market reversed pretty hard today, guys. I mean, just really think about it. That's a lot of pullback than I was kind of expecting. So that's a lot of pullback, right? I mean, so initially, I think really what it was, a Jackson Hole gave us a clue to build that credibility, right, with the Fed chair. The market felt confident that he is, I guess, I don't know what to say. He knows what he's doing, I guess. But at the end of the day, the sentiment I probably would have shifted quite quickly here. Now thinking about what sort of a rake we're going to get. Are we, just because we like him now, just because we feel confident that he's doing a great job, that does not change the fact that, we could see rate hikes moving into the September. So that is still not off the table. So we could still see the rate hike here in the month of September and another one in the month of December. So we could see 2 rate hikes this year, which could be a bit of a massive problem for the market, right? So I guess now the sentiment kind of shifted. The market looking at clues on the rate, possible rate hikes. And that's where you're kind of seeing this gold also pulling back. I think, if I'm not wrong, see the gold is pulling back. What a nasty pullback in the gold, guys. Right? So,
Order filled.
Order submitted.
Order filled.
Order canceled.
I thought we would go straight up after Jackson Hole. Well, that was a good idea. Oh, yeah. I know. Crazy, man. Crazy. All right, so we're getting a little bounce on the gold. Again, I am going to get cooked here on the gold, or is that really what it is?
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submit.
Order filled.
Order submitted.
I can make so much money on trading NQ, and I had to go step in with the gold and lose $140. Crazy. At least I know. At least I got out of that gold trade, realizing, oh man, just it's useless. It's worthless. Just get out of it, StockTiger.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order
Order
filled.
filled.
All right, we're right back here.
It's funny how things change in an instant.
Order submitted.
But everyone can feel the air. Do you know I'm fading from you? I can see it.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Order submitted. Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Oh man, this is a very stubborn looking chart. I'm trying to show this for a quick little snap
Order
here. Oh,
Order
there we go,
filled.
guys. There we go. Okay, so we just want to move now. Okay, guys, I'm stepping in here. I'm stepping here with the pro account. I just don't know if this is the right time to be trading the pro. To be honest, am I just better off just not get into any trades with the pro? All right, so may have to go with the micro here. I don't know. I need some directional move to kind of give me that little bit of confidence in my trade. All right, guys. In the meantime, I'm just gonna go grab another round of coffee, and let's go ahead and do another giveaway here, guys. 1 second. Oh, a lot of tabs open here at the moment. Sorry, bear with me.
Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Every day I miss you in the most ordinary ways. I always stop and wonder what would have happened.
By the way, I cannot load in any accounts with Apex. I know some of you guys already know, but so because of that, I went a little aggressive with quite a few accounts to try to look for, you know what I mean, the payouts. No, just I think they're a possible transition to live account. So it looks like I'm kind of running out of firms to trade. Everybody's moving me to live, I guess. Trading live is a problem. No, trading live is fine. You know, trading live is fine. I have no problem trading live. All right, so looks like we're getting a little pullback here. Is this going to be a bear flag or what is it going to be? I think the market's kind of concerned about the rate hikes at the moment, so I think that's definitely become the spotlight now. All right, the market trying to get a bounce. Let's see what sort of bounce it's gonna get. We're kind of overextended though to the downside. Let's see what sort of a bounce we get here, guys. I am trading my pro, so this pro better do well.
Order cancelled. Order
Order filled. Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Order filled.
Order cancelled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
I guess I went long.
Order canceled.
With 3 micro, guys. 3 micro. Target would be right into that 547.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Staring up at the ceiling till we lose the blood. Catching a fade with the feelings, this is all we got. It should have been fucking easy, but turns out it's not. Can someone please stop the bleeding till you call the shots? Staring up at the
All right, this could be the one. Let's see. Just want to kind of make sure I'm not getting caught on the wrong side. My target for today on this would be about, I don't want to put a number to it, but I mean, just I would say a few $100s if I can. All right, we're struggling to get above this right here, so. I'm going to try to take a one off.
Order
I'm down
filled.
to one last piece,
Order
guys.
canceled.
One last piece. There we go.
Order
That's
filled.
final take profit right there. I mean, we're kind of struggling to get above, so put a hold, $88. I don't know if that's gonna be okay for me. You know what I mean? This is just one of those days where I'm like, okay, well, $500. I mean, sorry, $88. I mean, is that gonna be okay? Am I okay with that? But today is definitely not the kind of a day you want to be messing with this. So, I'm going to look for a little more, guys. Let's try to focus our time into trying to see if I can get a few more dollars on my Take Profit Trader. And also a few Apex account that I'm literally close to getting a payout too. So it could be a little bit of a risk on the Apex account, but I'm willing to take it because Apex I cannot longer buy accounts. So I need to step in, be a lot more aggressive, and take a stab and look for payouts and try to do a bit of a cleanup on my Apex accounts. And that's why, yeah. We'll see how this thing kind of plays up, man. This is kind of a weird spot where it could either break to the upside all of a sudden, take us back to the 630. So what I want to see is a higher low here now playing out, right? I would like to see the higher low pattern play out. So give us that like a ladder, right? So I want to see something like this here, right? I want to see something like this here, like a little bit of a step, uptrending. Right, I want to see that and eventually find a way to break out of that, right? Now, if that's not the case, then this market's going to look a lot more bearish, but I mean... So I'm kind of going, okay, well, if you break here... I think as soon as we try to break underneath this and see ourselves back to 500, yeah, this is going to look very bearish. We're also hitting into that resistance zone at 540 on that longer time frame on a 30-minute chart. So we got a lot of levels we got to pierce through in order to feel a bit more bullish here. Or at least have a bit of confidence. But I think it does kind of feel like, we may try to roll over down. We got the view up here at 634 too. We got a lot of levels we got to pierce through today. This could be a tough one. So I'm kind of thinking maybe we try to get a bounce, but then the bounce starts to fade. Try to get a bounce, and then that we kind of try, and then we end up pulling back down into the low. So with that in mind, Yeah, this is a pretty substantial pullback that we had today. So maybe we you know, just kind of thinking maybe limited room to the down upside. Possible a bounce back into 582. Possible, yeah. So I probably want to hold this. Just kind of wait on the sideline for now. Leaning more to the long side. 600 area. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is doable. It is doable. So let's keep an eye on this. It does kind of feel like the market trying to hold. Maybe getting a short-term bottoming process kind of playing out too. So. All right, fellow traders, we are going to go ahead and do another giveaway. Oh, by the way, okay, we're struggling to get above, guys. I'm still watching this, right? I'm still watching this, but we're struggling to hold, guys. Struggling to hold. We really have to hold this area, guys. 515, 520, 500 even. This could be a bit of a problem if we end up not holding. And this is exactly the reason why I said, okay, well, let me just step back and just kind of watch this market do its thing. It's too much of a risk here. Well, what if I try to short this right here? I may end up blowing this account. Oh my god, I'll be so sad if I actually end up doing that. It is going to be a sad day if that is the case, guys. It is going to be a sad day.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted.
All right, guys, I went short with 1 minute contracts.
Order
filled.
$200. $200. $200. Oh, do you see that, Sin City?
Order canceled.
I'm not comfortable right now with this price action. I'm definitely not comfortable. Definitely not. Now, well, the the thing that I'm thinking about now is that should I just walk away or try to make some trades and try to risk some accounts? That's where I'm kind of going. Okay, well, it may be too much of a risk to do that. Not a good idea. So it's like risk reward, right? You gotta have to take a risk to get rewarded, right? But in order to take a risk, you're gonna end up losing some accounts along the way, and that's where. Am I ready to do that? I don't know. Who is Gossipy? He's a gossiper? He's a gossiper.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
Another 50 bucks. Another 50 bucks.
Order submitted.
Ah!
Order canceled.
Oh man, that would have been a beautiful trade. You saw that? I entered and did not get filled. Damn it, I hate this sometimes. I hate when it does not get filled. That would have been, I think that would have been like $150, $200 right there. Now I'm getting very tempted to trade this freaking thing. I'm just not sure if I want to be doing that. Getting really annoyed. Starting to get really annoyed, guys. So the market is very volatile, right? So probably a good idea to just lock it out now. I mean, you know, we got a lot of people talking too. Yeah, I don't wanna wreck my weekend, so I'm just gonna lock it out. Right? I'm gonna log that out. You know, I'll just lock out every pro account. I mean, I haven't traded these, but we'll do it, guys. Okay. So I don't force myself. That would have been a beautiful entry, man. That would have been a money in the making. Wow, it's a constant pullback here, guys.
Order submitted.
Wow, crazy.
Order canceled. Order filled.
Order filled.
Guys, there's a delay on the oh my god.
Order filled.
Fuck, man, I
Order
cannot take. Oh
submitted.
my god, guys, I cannot take this fucking thing. Hold on. There's a
Order
delay on
Order
the
filled.
I don't know what's going on with Tradevate. Yeah, Tradevate having some issues, guys. Be careful if you guys are trading here. Actually, not just this. I think everything else is kind of on limbo. I can't. Guys, man, we have some issues with Tradevate. Thank God I got out. Oh my God. You've got to be kidding everybody. This would have been an absolute disaster, guys, if I ended up trading a pro account and I'm like getting stuck. Oh my God. Let's see if I can actually do a little bit of a test drive.
Order submitted. Order
Okay, so it's working now. Okay.
Order canceled. Order submitted.
Okay, it's working now, guys. It's working now. There was definitely a little bit of a glitch there. Just kind of got saved. Saved by the bell.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Order submitted. Order cancelled.
Still glitch, guys. Still glitchy.
Order filled.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Order submitted. Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Order submitted.
Something's moving, guys. I better get out here. I better get out, guys. Like, oh,
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
gosh.
Order submitted. Order
Order
submitted.
filled.
Man, it
Order
is.
filled.
What the? Guys, it's glitchy. I can't trade. Yeah, guys, man. Also, the same thing with the rhythmic. The same thing. I think there's a bit of a problem. Guys, be careful if you guys are trading, man. Be careful. Yeah, I cannot even exit my. Fuck, man. All right, guys. Let me just hold off just in case, right? Let me go grab another coffee. I'll be right back in a minute. Jesus. Be careful, everybody, man. This is rough. Are we in a rate hike cycle? Yeah, we could certainly be in a rate hike cycle too. That could be, and that's probably the reason why we're getting the selling pressure step in here in the market. I want to just quickly take a look and see where I'm at with the Microsoft here. So, I mean, the problem is if the market decides to, well, not the market, I mean, the Fed decides to rate hike in the month of September, then they're going to have to do that again in September, in December. They are going to be able, well, they're going to have to do it again. Right? So that's really what the problem is. So it's going to have to be back to back. You can't rate hike once and then it's like done. So usually when they have a rate hike cycle, they would do it a few times before they kind of stall. Okay, so we got a little rejection here. Let's see if we try to hold this. I'm watching this, guys. I'm watching it. I do want to step in with some of my Apex accounts so I can actually go ahead and request some payouts. Hopefully we get it approved today. Because usually Apex approves instantly. Pretty close to instantly, right? So... Man, there's glitch with Rhythmic too. There's a pretty solid glitch. I'm gonna get out of that. Yeah, so I mean, if you just really think about it, the Fed came out, Kevin came out and said the rate hike may be necessary. That's what he said. If the inflation story does not cool off, right? So, and they're not backing away from that 2% long-term 2% inflation. So, and I think you have, I think you got 3 of the Fed, wanting to rate hike right away, like in the month of September. So that's a little bit of a problem, guys. And Treasury yield, of course, in front of that got a bounce. And yeah, I don't know, man. It's things are all of a sudden looking pretty murky, right? So the next meeting they have, it's moved from 35% to 50%. So we have a 50% chance of a rate hike next month. And that's a pretty substantial, right, probability of a rate hike. So that's a little problem, guys. That's a little problem. Well, according to Kevin Walsh, who's a good friend of mine, he says our economy is doing just fine, according to him, right? So.
Fact or fiction, you picked your poison. mental friction. Clearly it's been broken. Borderline tragic. You're so dramatic. It's automatic.
Well, good I got out of that trade, man. That would have been a little problem for me. I mean, no, like whatever it is, guys. I honestly, it doesn't really matter if they rate hike or whatever they want to do. At the end of the day, I'm a buyer, right? Into weakness. That's really what it is at the end of the day for me, right? At the end of the day, for me, right? I'm a buyer. I'm gonna scoop shares, right? I'm gonna scoop shares. I think we are going to expect to see some dirty moves along the way. And we are kind of pretty close because right now we only got a few more days to go for the month to be over, and we're right into September too. So, but I will be definitely a buyer. I'm not going to get afraid to step in, and I'm totally okay to hold the bag. It's fine. Well, holding a bag on a swing trading account, it depends, but I mean, it's okay. Well, he's a good friend of mine, but he's very busy, so I don't normally talk to him.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order cancelled. Order
filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order
filled.
Order submitted. Order
filled.
Order submitted. Order cancelled. Order
filled.
Order submitted. Order
filled.
Order sub Order
filled.
Order submitted. Order
filled.
Order
filled.
Order submitted.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order
filled.
Order submitted. Order
filled.
Order
filled.
Oh man, this is pretty choppy. Just kind of feel like I'm messing at the wrong time. Oh my god.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
It time. I know that I'm not easy. This cold heart of mine, she really took a beating before you. You stuck through blizzards, winter nights with you. Now I'm blooming just for you. For you.
Holy crap, guys. The market literally just said, okay, well, we're done for the day, I guess.
Order filled.
Order filled.
All right, guys, I went in from 486, looking for a quick little snap here into 473. And then I'm
Order
out
filled.
of that trade. Nice, beautiful trade on that one. I'm going to lock out that as well. So I don't have to trade that account. So I can't trade. I don't have any accounts to trade on my take profit trade now. Because so all right, guys, I'm going to try to short the market, guys. I'm going to try to short the market.
Order submitted. Order submit. Order canceled.
All right, looking for that lower high to be intact here, right? So I'm looking for this to be that sort of a an opportunity to try to short this market again. So every time we try to tap into this, we got rejection. So I'm kind of going, okay, well, in order to be a bullish, you're going to have to get above 560 bare minimum to kind of change the structure overall. The trend is still to the downside. I'm going to be looking to try to short this on a little pop if we get. And look for that rollover down, guys. This could probably take us back down to 300 very quickly. So keep an eye on this, guys. We're right into that major key level. You see on the left-hand side, we got a major level here, guys. Major level, right? So this is the major level. Every time we try to dip underneath that, and that is a significant area, right? So we had this big level here. We got another one. That was a resistance, prior support. And we had a major support here as well. We kind of held. And now we are right at the verge of breaking underneath that. And that's going to be crucial for us to try to respect. Because if we don't do that, guys, this could be, taking us down to potentially down into, I would say, into the 300s. So that's about 150 points, right? We could move fairly quickly, right? Fairly quickly. So I don't know if that's going to be a measured move, but I mean, something of that nature. I mean, usually, when you see this sort of a price action, sometimes you see this little flush and we kind of rebound and give us that, maybe a halfway rebound towards the end of the day. And we kind of end up chopping here in this zone and kind of give us that bit of a clues. Sorry, not a clue, but I mean, something to think about for traders moving into the weekend, right? So it's going to give us a lot of confusions as we try to get a rebound back into the mid zone. And that's about 50% retrace back here. So that's going to be an interesting one. We want to see if this is what it's going to try to do, or we end up rolling over down and we end up absolutely getting destroyed here today. It's either this or we get a nasty pullback. overall, I mean, the fact that I don't know, Trump may come out and say, you know what, whatever he heard from the Fed, come out and talk today in the Jackson Hole. He is absolutely against it, and obviously, I don't think there's anything he can do much. But I mean, if the Fed does not seem to be looking very dovish for now. So it is going to be an interesting one, guys. For now, until things start to change, and until the market prove me otherwise, we will start to try to short guys on the rebound here. I'm just hoping that it does not just go straight in one line down, right? Look for that bit of a rebound, and then we try to hold, and then we don't find the bid, and we end up rolling over down. EL7 Trader, what's up, man? Okay. In the meantime, let's go ahead and do something a little more exciting here. We're gonna go ahead and do a giveaway, guys. It starts right here, right now. Everybody, good luck. The big guys are on vacation here, apparently. Well, I'm gonna have to call them back and say, hey, you better trade. You better trade until the market closed. This is not okay. That's right. That's right. Lucid is still 40%, but I cannot buy any Lucid accounts because I'm obviously live traders, right? So unfortunately, yeah. But you guys can. I cannot even use the vault because I've got the vault, and I can't even use that 40% off right now because, boy, I can't buy any accounts, right? So other than the max accounts, which is fine by me. We already had this conversation about maybe I'll hold off and buying that, and maybe try to trade other firm in the meantime, and see if I can build the house money to trade the max a little later. But maybe try to focus and put my pay a little more attention to what the heck is this Tradify? Oh man, that's a Monies. Oh, I see. I had something. Oh yeah, I have the vault. Copy code.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Ho ho ho. Pumping to 636. What am I trading, by the way? Oh, I'm trading Funded Next funded account. By the way, guys, Funded Next has 47% off. So you're essentially paying $69 on a Funded Next. That's the cheapest it gets on a Flex accounts with Funded Next. So if you guys want to load in some accounts, kind of tight in the budget standpoint, then that accounts are the ones to go with. No, I don't think so. I don't think so. I think they're fairly good, in my opinion. There's routine review on Rise. The Rise is, I don't know, man. Rise, I don't know, guys, man. The Rise takes a long time. I'm telling you, there is something going on with the Rise. I feel that. I'm telling you, I feel that. The Rise, I mean, it took 6 days to hit my bank account. You've got to believe it. I would rather pay a little more, let's say use PayPal, and hit my bank account the same day. God damn it. Trump is talking? Is that what it is, guys? Trump is talking right now? You don't see it on FJ? Okay, so he is not talking right now, so that's fine. Okay, so I am going to close the entries. Everybody, I'm going to close the entries. Let's look for the winner. Go from there. It's a pretty boring price action that we're getting here, right? So I may have to, I guess, walk away. Not this price action, definitely not giving me that bit of an excitement. So. All right, guys, the market trying to get a bounce. Okay, the market trying to get a bounce. Okay, guys, I'm gonna call the winner now. I mean, man, this market is pretty dead now, guys. Like, the big moves are kind of said and done here, so I'm gonna have to kind of walk away. In the meantime, man, I want to thank you to all of you, of course, for being here this morning as well, man. It was a lot of fun. It was a bit of a shorter stream for me. Would have been better if I actually started to stream right from the pre-market, but did not really get a chance to do that. But I want to thank you to all of you for being here in the morning on Friday. Very grateful to be here in the morning, guys. It's awesome. 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 Does not get any better than this, guys. Oh, let's go. And of course, thanks for using my code. Tiger across all the major firms. Tradify, 40%. Listed, 40. Take profit trader, 40%. With 3 days to pass now, guys, instead of 5. Keep that in mind. And I use the 25Ks right now to try to pass and try to get funded as well. So we already banked $200, guys. That will be my daily payout tonight as well. Let's go. Yeah, we got a giveaway. We got to call out the winner right now. And of course, Apex is right now 90% off as well. $49 all in on a 50K account and $59 all in on a 100K account, which a lot of you guys love trading the 100K. With $59 all in, it doesn't get any cheaper than that, to be honest. Unfortunately, I cannot load in any accounts, so that's okay by me. I'm gonna try to get the payouts on the existing accounts that I have and try to go a little aggressively so I can actually try to see maybe if I can get a couple accounts to pay out tonight, that will be awesome. We'll try to do that. And in the meantime, guys, let's call out the winner, man. Thank you guys once again for being here. Good luck, everybody. Let's go ahead and call out. I got 45 seconds, obviously, to let me know that you are here with us, okay? Let's go. Andre Moore. Again? Guys, Andre Moore? Again? I don't think so. I don't think she's... Well... Sounds like somebody very familiar, but Andre Moore. Oh, 45 seconds. Andre Moore, is this your first time winning, or you won a couple times yesterday? That's not you, are you? It does kind of feel like that's you, but I mean, I may be wrong. So many names. Is it he or she? So Andrew, we have a winner here. Andrew, I'm just gonna have to have you hit me up on the Discord, right? So I can go ahead and take care of your account. This is the Take Profit Trader account. In the meantime, I am going to share my Discord link as we speak. The market's pretty rough. Let's take a look and see how my swing trading account's going. It's okay so far. It's fine. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna head out. I want to thank you guys once again for being here every single night, and plus in the mornings too. Every time I go live during the New York session. We'll see you guys back on a Sunday night, everybody. 5:45 p.m. Eastern Time. Right back here for the Globex Open, guys. Let's see what next week Sunday is gonna bring to the table. It's gonna be an exciting one. The market is obviously dumping as we speak, so take a little rest. Have a great weekend with your family, everyone. Trade safe. If you guys are still trading here into the close, good luck and goodbye, everybody. Take care and thank you. Bye. Masalama, Adam Das. Bye, guys. You guys are still here. Holy man. I told you bye. Let's go. Bye, guys. Bye. Take care, guys. Have a great weekend. Enjoy. Spend the time with the family, guys. Bye. Bye.